Now, growing out the mustache, in my opinion, is one of the hardest things to grow on your face, especially to maintain. But now that I've had it for so long, it's time to trim it up and get it back to where I like it. Only using a couple tools like some trimmers and some scissors, we can start right away and attacking the mustache. First, I want to use the trimmers and give myself a line on my lip, and that can give me a guide of where I'm going to use the trimmers. Now, depending on if you want your mustache longer or shorter, you can determine the guard. But for me right now, I really wanted to stick to a shorter mustache and give myself a little bit of a handlebar after the trim. So you want to pay attention to that lip line, but also going up the lip, making sure that you're blending everything in. Again, the mustache is a really hard place to trim and fade into your face. So make sure you make these really, really fine adjustments to the mustache. So we continue by going back to the trimmer and back to the scissors, trying to even everything out. And this is a great way for you to transition from that long mustache to the short mustache, because going from the long to the short, meeting your peers is a big shock. So if you can, start doing little minute trims to bring it back to where you like your mustache to originally be. And of course, we're gonna use some sculpting wax from Volt to give it a nice hold. We're gonna go ahead and melt it down with our fingers and apply lightly to the mustache, bringing out that handlebar. And that's pretty much it. It might be detailed, but it's simple if you take your time. You always wanna make sure you have the right tools and the right products. So make sure to check out those in the link in the description below. Have a good one.